My name is Dr. Gus, President and Founder of Dr. Gus Advanced Health and Wellness Centers. I want to take a second to talk to you about water and the hydration to the human body, and in particular using the ionized water systems. We see a wide array of patients from musculoskeletal problems to internal health challenges. And we can literally educate patients on hundreds of topics because we're seeing people with digestive disorders, hormonal imbalances, a wide array of health problems. And we have hundreds of nutrients we can educate a person on, yet we choose water as the very first topic. So now we're here with our patient Kevin, 25-year-old male, and we're going to look at the effects water has on a cellular level, specifically his red blood cells and white blood cells. So Kevin, tell us a little bit about what you like to drink. What are your fluids daily?
So I'm an avid coffee drinker. I have probably 2 to 3 cups a day. I like to think I drink a lot of water, but it's probably not enough. And you know, on weekends I enjoy the occasional adult beverage as well. But as far as hydration, I just drink water out of a Brita filter.
So if we want to restore our patient's health quickly, then we need to educate our patients. The very first thing that they need to do is to hydrate their body. Now we're going to take a look at what your blood looks like coming in. So now what we are looking at is the smaller round circles are red blood cells, and the larger bluish circles are white blood cells. And in the background, it should be clear and black, okay? And if we scan and look around, we see some spots where there are little chunks, and those are toxic substances that are not being removed by the blood. What we see repeatedly in their blood is it's not really moving well. It's sludgy, it's got toxins in there, fibrin strands, things that don't belong, microbes. When we use regular water, it's not so easy for that to penetrate those areas as when water is ionized. And now what we see here is, because you were dehydrated before, there was some garbage in the background. We see already that having some water in your body after just a few minutes actually makes your body happier. One of the unknown factors that the water system has that people don't realize is it's loaded with antioxidants. Imagine drinking water that now has all these antioxidant levels that you're not getting from bottled water. And what we have seen when we researched all types of bottled water is it's all oxidized. When you get a glass of water out of a Tient unit, it is loaded with antioxidants. The third sample, with having drank ionized water,
Yep.
And here we go. Here is what you see.
Wow.
For one, we're seeing many more red blood cells on the screen at one time. They're moving happier. The background is a lot more cleaner, a lot different than your very first one. And I think it's that combination that really leads to a patient starting to heal faster, and what we have seen now throughout the years here in our clinic when they use ionized water to recover. At the end of the day, science speaks for itself. And frankly, ionized water is where it's at.